Hey guys, so Mitch and I worked together to get you some social media templates made that look similar to the ones we use for our Weicker pages. So I'm going to show you how to get to those and how to customize them. So you go to the drive. Within the drive, you go to Office. Here you go to Marketing. And then we have these social media templates and new listings, back on market, under contract, closings, open houses. You just click within this folder, you'll see a social templates folders there. And then here are your options. Click here and then make a copy. And then literally all you have to do is, I'll work on this one since I've already done it here. Click the background, replace image. Just add your house. In the center, and then to replace your headshot, you'll replace image again. And then the cutout headshots are in the drive. So we're going to go to WRC, Office, Realtors, headshots. This is Lauren's listing. So I'm going to find Lauren. And you literally just drop it in, move it wherever you'd like, wherever you think it looks best. And yeah, there's your new listing post. There's a second option that looks like this, where you can do the same thing, and it's replace image into your address. And yeah, you can just duplicate these slides. That way you have your own here. And there's some in open houses. You'll see these social templates here, and it's the same thing. If you guys have any questions, feel free to let me know. Thank you.